Hello friends, in today's class we'll see the chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Now let us see what is a fraction. A fraction is used to indicate a part of a whole where the whole can be any number of equal parts. A fraction is represented by division of one whole number by another. Now what do you mean by this? Division of one whole number by another. That is, when I say 1 by 2 is a fraction, 1 is a whole number and it is divided by another whole number, that is 2. Okay, now how shall we represent the fraction? See, when I say 1 by 2, what does it mean? One part of a whole figure which consists of two parts. Okay, similarly 3 by 4. Now this is a circle which has got 4 parts. Okay, so the whole has got 4 equal parts. In that 3 by 4, how do we represent 3 by 4 in this? 3 parts are taken out of this. Okay, so this is a circle which has got 4 parts. In that we are considering 3 parts of it. So we represent this as 3 by 4. I hope you all understand what is a fraction. Now let us now draw a circle. There are 4 equal parts. Now I want to represent the fraction 1 by 4. How do I do it? For that I will shade 1/4 part of the whole figure, that is a circle. Now 1 by 4 can be read as 1/4, where 4 stands for the number of equal parts into which the whole has been divided. The whole circle has been divided into 4 parts, where 4 represents the number of equal parts and 1 stands for the number of equal parts which is taken out. Here 1 is called the numerator and 4 is called the denominator. So when I represent this 1 by 4, my 1 is called as the numerator and 4 is called as the denominator. I hope all of you understood this. Now let us go to the next fraction, that is proper fraction, which you have learnt in your lower classes. We will now see what is a proper fraction. When the numerator, what is the numerator? The number that is on the top. The top number is less than the denominator. What is the denominator? The number that is at the bottom. Then it is called a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 3 by 8. Here the numerator 1 is less than the denominator 3. Such kind of fractions are called proper fraction. Now let us define an improper fraction. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is called an improper fraction. Example is 5 by 3, 9 by 7, 8 by 5. Here you can see that 5, which is the numerator, it is greater than the denominator. So such kind of fractions are called improper fractions. Now let us study another fraction, which is the mixed fraction. When a whole number and a fraction is combined together, it is called a mixed fraction. Now how do you represent a mixed fraction? Now let us take for example 7 by 3. 7 is greater than 3. Now let us divide 7 by 3. You get quotient 2 and remainder 1, isn't it? So a mixed fraction can be written as quotient into remainder by divisor. That is, what is the quotient here? 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder and 3 is the divisor. So children, remember this formula. It will be very useful for you. That is, you have to write 3 as the divisor and 2 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. This is how you represent a mixed fraction. Express mixed fraction as an improper fraction. Now if you are given a mixed fraction, you have to represent it as a as a improper fraction. How do we do that? We multiply 7 into 5, that is whole into denominator. What is my whole? 5 is the whole. 5 into denominator, that is 7 into 5 plus numerator. What is the numerator? It is 3. 7 into 5 plus 3 by 7, that is 35 by 7 plus 3 by 7 is 38 by 7. This is how I represent a mixed fraction. I hope all of you understood this. Thank you, friends.